first of all, I am very thankful to be invited at the campus of Kalinga University, and it's a wonderful platform for any student. Today, I have conducted a special seminar on mind and success. Topic was mind and success, as I am a certified mind trainer, hypnotist, national speaker at Akashvani and Doordarshan. Also, I have conducted over 200 seminars and trained over 30,000 people by the means of my seminars. So this is a wonderful experience, and the faculty and the management are very cooperative. At the same time, students here are very brilliant and they are so cooperative, and I had a wonderful audience here. And I suggest that everybody who wants to groom their personality and want to grow in their career, they must join the Kalinga University. So my best wishes with the Kalinga University. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.